Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing. I'm so glad that you found us. If you have never been here before, welcome, welcome. And if you have been here before, welcome back. You must certainly make the difference to the channel. And in today's video, well, it is that time for us to be drawing for the secret giveaway that I had embedded in my City Lips video. If you stayed and watched all the way through that video, then you knew that there was a little giveaway for my I've already got it boxed up but it is for the City Lips lip gloss in clear and a mask, one of their hydrant masks for you to try. I wanted to share that with my viewers. Now, this giveaway is not associated with YouTube. It is a giveaway that I am doing myself. It's with products that I did receive NPR from the City Beauty Company. They were so generous to send some my way, and I wanted you guys to be able to experience the brand for yourself too, because I already have a City Lips clear of my own that I purchased with my own money, and so I wanted you guys to be able to experience some of the lip gloss. Wanted some lucky winner to be able to experience that. So yes, and you know, like I said, it's in no way affiliated with YouTube. It's just a giveaway of mine. And so I have already done the random comment picker, and what I had done was I had said for you to put in the word Chicago into the comments, and I believe that we had about 40 something people who actually picked up on that and put that into their comment. And so I am going to jump over and let you see who actually won this giveaway. I was very shocked whenever the random comment picker pulled this person up. She's a very good subscriber of mine. I know this person very, very well, and I just love her to pieces. So we're going to hop over right now, and I'm going to put that up on the screen. Okay guys, we are getting ready to draw for the winner of the City Lips mask and City Lips clear lip gloss. And so I've got in my URL, I've got in the filter comment for the word Chicago, and I am just going to get my YouTube comments. And there was 41 unique commenters. And so now we are just going to go over here. And I'm really excited to see who is going to pick this up. And so we are going to hit start. And my winner is Candy Bosco. Oh my goodness, Candy, you are my winner. Oh my goodness. And if you don't know, Miss Candy Bosco has a new channel out there, and she is a very good subscriber of mine, and I just love her to pure deep pieces. So I am so excited for you, Candy Bosco. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. Oh my goodness, I just love that whenever that happens. So if you guys don't know Candy, go check her out. She's got a YouTube channel. And so yeah, so let's see. She said, sounds amazing. I'm sold. Payday is next week, and I will have to come back to your discount code. I went to Chicago years ago. I had so much fun. It was very different than what I am used to. And it is. Okay, guys. So, yeah, so Candy Bosco is my winner. Okay, so guys, as you know, Now the winner is Miss Candy Bosco. You are my winner. I'm so happy and excited that you've finally won something on my channel. I love chatting with you over on Just Gus's lives. I love seeing you all over the place on YouTube, and guys, go and check out her channel. She just started her channel. It's relatively new, so go give her some love on her channel if you haven't already. She does some unboxings, and well, she does quite a bit of unboxings. She's mostly an unboxing channel, but she's just a sweetheart. And if you are a fan of Just Gus's live sessions, she's usually always there, or on Just Gus's premieres, she's usually always there. So she's just a sweetheart. So I'm so happy for you, Candy, that you are my winner. So don't forget, if you like to win things, don't forget, Jess and I have our giveaway going on that we are going to be drawing for. It ends on Wednesday, and that is for the Ipsy pack with the guys, that's with the gingerbread cookie tasting body powder. So, and I think that's featured on my channel. But also, don't forget, I do have this big, well, I don't think you can see it back there maybe, but there is a big basket of skincare sitting back there. That will be drawn for on February the 1st. It's my skincare video. I'll try to remember to here link it in the iCard so that you can just click on that if you want to enter to win my skincare giveaway for the New Year's giveaway for skincare. So that is a very nice skincare basket if you are wanting to maybe start in on the new year with a new skincare regimen. Then get in on that. We'll be drawing for that on February the 1st. So that's what I have for you today. I just wanted to pop on here really quickly and do that giveaway. I'm so excited for you, Candy. So if you will get in touch with me at getthisglowing@gmail.com and let me know where you would like those goodies sent, then I will get that shipped out to you. I've got it all boxed up, got it ready to go, and so yeah, I am so excited for you. So yeah, let me know where you want them sent, sweetheart, and I will get them out to you. So I hope that everyone's doing well in your neck of the woods. It is really, really cold here, so be careful and stay safe. And smidges, everybody. I'll see you in my next video, and bye-bye for now.